Tasek Okbo in the next episode of Tasek Ekbo Dennis, the family will gather for dinner after surviving the rescue, believing that have finally ended one peaceful night. Eddie, Latsmi, Eleni, Fedimi, Iso, and Dorak will sit together while Emrie Hala watches from the head of the table. The atmosphere will appear calm, but each person will carry a secret. Adil will have hidden Timur's map from Esme. Esme will possess photograph on an unidentified traitor. Eleni will have meet Timur's son without telling Orak. Fedmi will know the owner of the car used by the informant, and Emrie will have removed a page from an old family register. During dinner, every phone in the house will receive the same message. Temur will announce that one person at the table has worked with him for years. He will challenge the family to identify the traitor before midnight, or he will release evidence capable of sending Adil to prison and destroying Alani's identity. The door will lock automatically and communication with the outside world will fail. Adil will want to everyone search, but Esme will insist that suspicion is exactly what Temur want. Eleni will examine the food and discover a harmless tracking substance on one glass, suggesting the photograph of the in front car, which will also appear connected to Emrie. Emrie will finally admit she met Temur in the past, yet she will say she was working to protect Adil from a truth about his father. Rodak will discover a hidden transmitter beneath the table, proving that someone inside the room placed it recently. Suspicion will turn possession and realize the traitor always appears use reflective surfaces without a clear face. She will use a mirror to reveal that one image shows a distinctive injury on the person's hand. Adil will recognize the mark as belonging to someone believed missing at midnight. The electricity will return and the door will rip open. Gizap will enter, apparently confirming the accusation, but he will explain that he pretended to work for Temur to discover the true leader behind him. He will place a recording on the table containing the voice of the real informant. Before it plays, a shoot will break the window and destroy the device. Giza will point toward the upper floor where a hidden person has been listening. Adil and Orak will run upstairs and find an empty room containing photographs of family members, along with plans for Emre's arrival and Timur's son's return. The person who disappeared will be the last person anyone suspected, ending the story with the realization that the greatest threat was never Timur alone, but the person who guided